Welcome to the Ask Patrick series. Today's question is by Purva Purandare. The question is, should we practice speed max every day? And it depends on what do you talk of in terms of speed max. Speed max is in terms of that, max calculation, the tough calculation like Vedic max where you do 10 digit calculation or 10 digit calculation, get the answer fast. Or speed max involve just simple calculations to get your calculation speed fast. I normally recommend that students should practice 10 to 15 minutes of calculations every day because calculations become very important to improve your speed in your mathematics. Apart from that, I am not very for the whole concept of speed max like the Vedic max or the abacus or the other aspects about it. Doesn't help too much. CAT doesn't expect you to know tough calculations, etc. They anyway give you a calci to do tough calculations. Okay, and in most of the questions that are there in the examination, they're all simple calculations. If you can do the simple calculation fast enough, you will be able to do it fast. So yes, my recommendation every day do practice calculation. I do give calculation sheet almost every day to students to practice. You can refer to the YouTube channel and refer. Try to practice those calculations every day. Okay, ideally mentally if possible. I mean, doing it mentally. That if you can do your calculations fast, it will definitely help you to do things faster. Not only in the CAT but the other exams, because calculations. What is seen actually is the difference between a person who is slow and fast is normally because of two reasons. One is ability to understand the question, and second is the calculation method. Also, third is the method. These are three reasons why people are not able to do fast enough. Calculation becomes one part of it where you can improve your calculation speed and go fast. So yes, definitely do calculations every day. Simple calculation techniques, nothing exotic about it. But apart from that, don't get into any fancy speed max techniques, etc. Doesn't help too much. I hope that helps. Thank you.